Hey there, it's Guarda. Today we're going to show you how to exchange Bitcoin for Callisto in Guarda Wallets. Let's get started. Log into your Guarda Wallet and click the Exchange tab. Choose the wallet you would like to use. In our case, it's gonna be Bitcoin and Callisto. Choose the amount that you wish to exchange. Check the exchange details and confirm. And you are done. Now we have to wait. But before that, let's show Callisto in our list of wallets. You can always hide not needed wallets by pressing the eye icon. After some time, you should successfully receive your claw coins. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay in touch with cryptocurrency and Guarda Wallets.